Hello and welcome to another video about the IDT Lab SaaS Cloud. And in this video I'll be talking about creating a request for quotation and how you can convert a request for quotation into a purchase order. So to create a request for quotation within the Purchases Cloud, you come to the Purchase tab and then select request for quotation, and you can see the current request for quotations within the system. But we're going to add a product first, and we can create a request for quotation for that particular product. Say we're gonna create a new product and call it it's a ledger. Okay, and then this particular product we're creating, we can only purchase this product and we can sell this particular product, so we can uncheck this can be sold. Okay, and then we want to change it from consumable to stockable. Okay, so we click the save button and then let's come again and search for the product. Okay, as you can see, the product we've created is here, and on the quantity on hand is 0 and forecasted quantity is also 0 units. Okay, so we come to the request for quotation. We click the create button and then we select a supplier from which we want to get a request for a quotation. So we select this supplier and we can add the product. So we search for ledger. Okay, so we might say we want to request for 10 ledgers. Okay, and then we can add a description of we want to. Okay, so we leave the unit price as it is. When we get the confirmation from the supplier, we'll add the unit price there, and then this is the warehouse where the product will be delivered to, and we can say we select return warehouse, and this is the date we are making the order. Okay, so we select this date, and yeah, we can save this. Okay, so we can save it, and we can also create another different one with a different supplier. Okay, we can create another request for quotation to a different supplier instead of Beltec Holding, say ICSSS Tech, and actually compare the price from the different suppliers to see which one we want. Okay, but in this case we're just creating this one and actually ask them the specifics of this particular product, including the price and so on. So we can send this request for quotation by email to this particular customer. Okay, this is the message, and we click send. Okay, so after we click send and everything has been confirmed, you see it moved from the draft quotation and from the draft request for quotation, and it's here, it's in the stage. Okay, so another thing we can do is, after receiving the confirmation from this particular customer, okay, we can register it as bid received. Okay, so if we received it and then the price they said was $5 for each, so we can edit it and then we can click bid received. Okay, so after we click bid received, we see automatically the subtotal has been updated and all other informations are there. Okay, so we can confirm this particular request for quotation and convert it into a purchase order. Okay, so now if we come to request for quotation, we'll see it there, PO 00014 and all the other information, and you can see the status bid received, you can see the total. Okay, but as soon as we confirm this request for quotation, it automatically changes into a purchase order. Okay, it's no longer a request for quotation but a purchase order. So if we come to request for quotation again, we won't see it there, but if we come over to the purchase order, we'll see that it will be created here automatically, and purchase confirm will be the status. Okay, so you can actually view the invoices for this particular purchase order and also the shipment information or the transfer information of this particular purchase order. Okay, so if we have actually received the product, we can click this receive product to transfer the product to the specified warehouse. Okay, so we're going to click receive product, and as you can see, this is the destination location where the product is going, and we can click transfer. Okay, click apply, and automatically the product will be transferred. Okay, so again, if we come over here, we'll see that if we click this in shipment, we'll see that the product has been successfully transferred, and we can come over again to the purchase order and actually click receive invoice if we have received an invoice from the supplier concerning this particular purchase order we did. Okay, so we can click receive invoice. Okay, and then we might want to go over the invoice again and cross check whether it's the same as the one we have. Okay, so we can edit and make some changes if we want to. Okay, and then we can save this invoice and then click validate. Okay, so from here again we can pay the invoice directly. Okay, we can pay the for the invoice directly. Okay, so if we click pay and you see this pay invoice wizard pops up, and then we click register payment, automatically the payment will be made. Okay, so if we come to the purchase order for this particular one again, we'll see that the status is done. Okay, so to actually make sure that we actually receive the product and the quantity has increased, we'll come to product and look for that particular product again, ledger, and then as you can see on hand is 10 units. Okay, and then mind you, this particular product is a product that can only be purchased. Okay, and as you can see, these are other informations about it. So there is no sale price because we can't sell this particular product. And also, if we come over to the sales cloud and try to look for that particular product, we will not see that product. Why? Because the product can't be sold, it can only be purchased. Okay, so this is it for this particular video. In another video we'll talk about more interesting topics. Thanks for watching. Bye.